are going to learn Class 6, Chapter 1, Knowing Our Numbers, Exercise 1.1, first question. Which is the greatest and the smallest among the group of numbers? So the first group of numbers is that 15,432, 15,892, 15,370, 15,524. From this, we have to find the greatest number and the smallest number. So, to find the greatest or the smallest number, first we have to come through 10,000s place, means the highest value. So, all of the numbers in the 10,000s place has 1. So, now we can't consider which one is the greatest number. Next, coming to the thousands place. So, 5, 5, 5. All the numbers, the thousandth place is 5. Next, coming to here, hundreds place. So, first numbers is 4, 8, 3, 5. So, which one is greater? 4, 8, 3 or 5? Yes, 8 is greater. So that we can say 15,892 is the greatest number from this group. And now to find the smallest number, let's start it from the hundreds group only. So 4, 8, 3, 5. Which is the smallest among them? Yes, it's 3. So we can say that 15,370 is the smallest number from this group. From the first question, second group of numbers is that 25,073, 25,289, 25,800, 25,623. So from this we have to find which is the greatest and the smallest number. So here, now also we have to come from the 10,000s place. So 2 is in the 10,000s place. Here also 2 is in the 10,000s place. 2 is in the 10,000s. 2 is in the 10,000s. By seeing this, we cannot say which is the greatest or smallest. Let's go to thousands place. 5, 5, 5 and 5. Now also we cannot say which is the greatest or smallest number. So now coming to here, 0, 2, 8, 6. From this, which is the greatest one? 0, 2, 8 and 6. Yes, 8 is the greatest one. So, this number comes to the greatest one. So, 2, 5, 8, 0, 0. 25,800. And coming to the smallest number, so 0, 2, 8 and 6. From this, which is the smallest number? Yes, it's 0. 0 is the smallest number. So, 2, 5, 0, 7, 3. So, 25,073. Now, from the first question, third group of numbers is that 44,687, 44,645, 44,670, 44,602. So now we have to say which is the greatest and smallest number among this group. So to find the greatest number, we have to go through 10,000s place. So from the 10,000s place, it's 4 over here, 4, 4 and 4. So by seeing this 10,000th place, we cannot prove it's a greater or a smaller. So coming to the thousands place, 4, 4, 4 and 4. By seeing this also, we cannot prove it's a greater or smaller. Coming to the hundreds place, 6, 6, 6 and 6. By seeing this also, we cannot prove. Coming to the tens place, 8, 4, 7, 0. From 8, 4, 7 and 0, which is the greatest number? Yes, 8. So we can say that 44,687 is the greatest number among this. And the smallest number is that 8, 4, 7 or 0. Which one is the smaller? Yes, it's 0. So we can say that 44,602. So second question says that write the numbers in ascending or increasing order. Okay. So now we have to do this in ascending order. Ascending means small to big. So now we have to check which is the smallest number from this group. So we can say that. Now let's count the digits in it. So it has 1, 2 and 3. It has 3 digits. And it has 4 digits. It has 5 digits. It has 4 digits. So by this we can say 3-digit number is the smallest number. So small number which is 375. And then now we have to check from these 4-digit numbers. Now from this 4-digit group we have to check which one is the smaller one. Okay, now coming to this thousands place, from this number the thousands place is 1 and from here the thousands place is 4. So by this we can say this is a smaller number. 1000 is smaller than 4000. So we can write 1475 and then at last 4713 and then at last 5-digit number which is 15,951. So third question says that write the numbers in descending decreasing order. So the group of numbers are 1876, 89,715, 45,321, 89,254. So we have to write that in descending order which is big to small. So to do that, first we have to check the digits. To see the digits, from the first number has 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4 and from this it has 5 digits. It has 5 digits and even it has 5 digits. So now we have to write the biggest number from it. To know that biggest number, we have to leave this aside because it's the smallest one. We have to write this at last. We have to check from these 3 numbers. So first let's count from 10,000s place. So first number from 10,000s place is 8, second one 4 and third one 8. So this 4 we have to remove it and now we have to check from these both numbers. Next coming to the thousands place which is 9 over here and 9 over here. We cannot say which is the greatest one. So here 7 and 2. So we can say that 7 is greater than 2. So 89,715 is the greatest one, means biggest number from this group. And the second largest number is this 89,254 and then 45,321 and at last 1,876. 1,876. So fourth question says that put appropriate symbol less than or greater than in the space given. So now we have to say, we have to give greater than and less than symbols in the blanks. So to find which is a greater or a smaller one, first thing is that we have to check the digits. So in this there are 4 digits and in this there are 5 digits. So directly you can say that 15,200 is greater. So symbol like this. And then coming to here, how many digits are there? Yes, 4 digits. And even in this also there are 4 digits. So now you have to come from the thousands place. So in the thousands place you have 4 over here and even 4 here. We cannot say that which is greater over here. So now coming to 8, hundreds place. 8 here and 8 also here. We cannot say which is a greater one. And coming to tens place, 9 and 6. So 9 is a greater one. So we can say that 4,895 is greater. Next, coming to the third question. First we have to check the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So even here we have 5 digits and here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here 5 digits. So now you have to check by digit. So here in the 10,000s place, 9 over here and 9 we cannot say. And coming to the thousands place, 9 over here and 9 over here we cannot say. And coming to the hundreds place, 4 and 4 we cannot say. And coming to tens, here 5 is there and 4 is there. So 5 is greater than the 4. So we can say that 99,454 is greater. And at last, fourth question. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here 5 digits are there. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 digits are there here. So now you have to check one digit. So here 1 is in the 10,000s place and 1 is in the 10,000s place. 4 is in the thousands place and 4 is in the thousands place. And coming to the hundreds place, here 5 is there and here 4 is there. So 5 is greater than 4. So we can say that 14,500 is greater.
In this video, we have learned Class 6, Chapter 1, Exercise 1.1, first, second, third and fourth questions. In next video, we are going to learn remaining questions. Thank you for watching.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye buddies.